Hello, YouTubers, millionaires, millionaires, sorry, future millionaires. My name is Ali, and on this channel we talk about making money, leveraging the internet using affiliate marketing. But today's topic is going to be a little different. It's going to be about a missing page on my one of my Facebook pages was missing, and I had to go back and do a little bit of research and figure out how to bring it back. Let me tell you guys. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about right here. Here's the let me bring this over here so you guys can see it. Here's my 4 pages, okay, and this particular one here was missing. I don't know what happened. I went around pushing buttons. I'm not really good with Facebook Manager yet, Business Manager, so somehow I made a mistake. All you got to do is just go to type in Facebook Business Manager, and that'll take you right to Facebook Manager over here. Okay, all you got to do is hit Settings. If your page is missing, go down to Business Assets, and what it's going to do is going to list all your pages over here. And what happened with this one here, you see how it says accessed by one person? Earlier it says 0. So what I did, I clicked on it, and it says Manage Access, and I went back here. My name is right here. I just put a check mark right next to my name, and it added me on there basically, and it gave me a bunch of options here, like what to allow myself to do. And I basically, because I am the admin, I checked everything was grayed out, and I changed it to blue, and now I have full access to my page, and it's starting to appear again under my listing, under my page listing over, or the list of my pages. Every time I would post something on here earlier, it would not show, but now I have full access to it. I hope this makes sense, guys. Real simple. Basically, if one of your pages disappears, I thought it was something had to do with Facebook blocking me or whatever, and I went back and I realized that I took off. I had one person accessing that page, which is myself, and I had to give myself access, which is it was at Passive Money Fast 21. That's one that I was looking for, and it was completely missing. I hope this video helped, guys. My name is Ali, and on this channel we talk about affiliate making money using affiliate marketing, and I do have a great offer for you today too. It's called Partner with Anthony. It's only $7. Anthony have made hundreds of millions. I don't know the exact number, but he made millions of dollars online, and he is actually giving giving some training right now. Let me pull this up real quick. Hang on, guys. It'll take 1 second. Maybe I should go this route here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Never mind. I'm going to go the slow route. I'll be right with you guys. Sorry about that. But it's a wonderful program for those of you guys that want to ditch your 9-to-5 and start making money online, and being mentored. If you want to get mentored by a very successful person that's been doing it for a long time and really knows what he's doing, I would recommend this program. PWA, that's what it's called. Partner with Anthony. I'm going to show you guys what this is all about. Give me a second here. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown, about 4 or 5 minutes, on what you're able to do with this program, and you guys decide for yourself whether it's something that you want to try or not. The link's going to be in the description if you want to check it out. Anyway, this is Mr. Anthony Morrison over here. And like I was explaining earlier, he made hundreds of millions of dollars online, or again, I don't want to say hundreds of millions, but he has made more than an average person can make in a lifetime, let's just say that. Anyway, so this live over here, you have access to it. It's free training, by the way, how I made $1 million, and you have access to this offer for only $7, and it's going to give you access to the Facebook group, very active Facebook group. Learn a lot from other entrepreneurs, and be able to bounce ideas off of them and share your thoughts and ideas, and they'll be able to respond back, and you can create a nice what do you call it, nice community, and make a lot of friends that are like-minded people. Here's what you get. Here's what you get as a member after joining the Partner with Anthony program. Here's what you get: exclusive commission link. Oh yeah, you're gonna get. I need to talk about this real quick. Those of you guys that are using ClickBank or JVZoo or Digistore or many of these affiliate networks, a lot of them is not recurring commission. When you partner with Anthony over here, everything is recurring commission. So basically, you promote the product once and you collect on it for life. You just continue on getting a commission every single month. These offers are all high ticket. So basically, each commission is $500 and more. So there's potential to make some really, really good money over here on a recurring basis. As you guys can see over here, $982,000 commission. That's one of the account that Anthony has. So basically, you have a chance to make a lot of money joining this program, and it's only $7, and it does give you a money-back guarantee in the event that you don't make any money. But it's definitely a win-win situation. Check it out. You have nothing to lose. Exclusive commission links that will allow you to start generating commission from some of the same companies that pay me every single month. Exclusive PWA sessions, each designated to walk you step by step through setting up your new business and plugging everything into an absolute correct way. Access our business building commission ecosystem, which until now has never been available to anyone. This, guys, this is something that Anthony made available just recently for all his new students. So I want you guys to feel privileged I want you to feel, I don't know how to put it in words, but this is actually a really great offer to take advantage of right now. That's what I'm trying to say. That allows Partner with Anthony, let me help you build your business, then use me to do all the work for you. So you can focus on generating commission from exact programs that I generate them from. In fact, here's an example of just what one of the commission program I am earning money from every single month, and you'll be able to plug into this and have me helping you create your commission. By the way, commissions simply mean payment to you. These are my earnings above, and I am simply showing you this so you can see one of the companies I show you to start generating commission with in the program. I am not guaranteeing you're going to be making $980,000, but just being honest and transparent. Instant access to PWA Live event that we do each week for everyone in the program. This is where you get a chance to interact with me and let me answer any question that you might have, so we can make sure you get everything up and running properly. Bonus number 1, I'm giving you a complete done-for-you funnel that I use for my favorite online business. Bonus number 2, I'm giving you a digital copy of my first book, The Hidden Millionaire. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that Anthony has sold, or actually it's been a number one, what do you call it? He has a number one seller on Amazon and many other platforms, and you're going to have access to that book 100% free. The book sold for $19, and he sold millions of copies of it, and you're going to have access. Basically, Anthony outlines all the steps he took to get to where he is right now. So basically, you get to have access to this incredible book at no cost to you whatsoever, just by joining the PWA program. Bonus number 3, you get full access to my weekly Success Connection live training, where I build businesses and give them to you completely free. I am guessing you're pretty excited by now. $7 for all this. Anthony, are you crazy? Trust me, I won't take that personally. It is kind of pretty crazy because Anthony's giving you access to all these incredible things, and you're only paying $7 a month to have access to all that. Being trained by, basically, he'll be your mentor. He's a millionaire. You'll have access to done for you business. You get the free the Hidden Millionaire book for free. You also have access to the Success Connections, which is a live session that he does with all his students, and you get to interact and learn a lot about online business and online entrepreneurship. Guys, this is an incredible offer. I highly recommend it. You have nothing to lose, as you guys can see over here. 100% money back, 30 days money back guarantee, and basically you get to try out the system without having to pay for it. That's what's so incredible about it. You can join the program. I have the link below, and it's only $7, and I wish you guys the very best luck. And I hope that Facebook tutorial helped you guys here, because I was pretty confused when I lost my access to a page, and now my page is back. So hopefully that helped you guys, because it's something I had to kind of figure out on my own. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a wonderful day. Love you, and I will see you on the inside. Have a great day. Bye-bye.